The bat hawk, Machairamphus alcinus, is a medium-sized bird of prey that primarily eats bats. It's found in sub-Saharan Africa, South Asia, and New Guinea. Appearance: dark brown or black in color. White patch on the throat and upper breast. Large, bright yellow eyes. Pale legs. Long wings. Falcon-like silhouette. Behavior: acrobatic and swift. Captures prey from the air. Hunts at dawn and dusk, and occasionally into the night. Inactive during the day. Habitat: requires open space for hunting. Lives in dense rainforest to semi-arid veld. Most reliably encountered near large bat roosts in forested areas. Diet: primarily eats bats, but also predates on insects and birds. Can capture and eat up to 11 prey items in as little as 18 minutes. Conservation: information about the conservation of the bat hawk is available in the animal database on Fandom.